Samsung Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Samsung freezers that consist of Samsung chest freezer repair, Samsung French door freezer repair, Samsung freezer repair, along with all other Samsung freezer models. Is your freezer not cooling, or your freezer's not working? Possibly your freezer runs all the time, or your freezer's leaking water. Your freezer has defrost drain problems, the freezer coils frosting up. Maybe your freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.